best indication of how an auto dealership treats their customers is how they treat their employees. Sunset has people who've dedicated their professional careers to the Sunset business philosophy, giving the customer more. People like Roman. Ro has worked at Sunset since he was a teenager and has held just about every position. Lot attendant, service advisor, used car manager, sales manager. He's now one of the youngest general managers in the United States, committed to giving every customer more. You know, Sunset is always looking for people absolutely dedicated to taking care of customers. People just like you. Sound like the kind of culture you could see yourself being a part of? Go to careers at sunsetautofamily.com or any of the Sunset dealership websites. And let's talk soon. Sunset has one of the most generous pay plans in the industry. Medical and dental benefits, a 401k retirement plan, and the ability to accommodate your individual priorities with flex schedules. Even a 4-day work week. So come join us. You just get more at Sunset, and our people do like that.